The ERA GP2 Restoration 15 was going to be the last one, but then a surprise came along, and here we are tweaking it a little bit more, getting it cleaned up, and I'll let James explain the reason.
We've been nominated for the RAC Historic Restoration of the Year award, and we've already made it through to the final 3. So we're now polishing and preparing it, ready to take it down to Bicester Heritage on Tuesday next week to be judged by the panel. So they want the restorer, which is of course is myself and Jack, to be there, and the owner, which will be Jolyon of course, and we're taking Adam Bragg with us, who was kind enough to nominate the car. He's the ERA Club editor and photographer, and we're going to represent the car, show them lots of photos of it being restored, all the work we've done along the way, and Jeff's videos of course will, I'm sure, be part of their material that they're looking at. Yeah, so we're cleaning it like we've never cleaned it before. We're perhaps finishing off a few little jobs that we should have done anyway, that get put back because you're all about performance, but this one's all about the presentation of the car, I suppose, and how appropriate it is to the period pictures that we've copied the detail from. We put it back to original spec. It's been a restoration. I won't say it's a concours winner, because we haven't attempted to do a concours car. We've attempted to do an accurate, fair representation of what the car was presented like when it was. Older bits existed in 1939, and then it never got to race in the Donington Grand Prix, for which it was going to be entered before war broke out. So it's back in original spec. It's a good, honest racing car, and they painted them in the paddock at most events. So the British Grand Prix Silverstone, they painted it green there to match the other ERAs in the race, or the British cars, in the paddock with a pot of paint. So no, it's not a multi-thousands of pounds paint job when we did it. So we're trying to polish it like it is. We're just trying to do the best, most honest we can. But what I'm trying to say is that it ain't a show pony. In fact, since we finished restoring it, it's already done 4 speed event meetings, 2 races and 2 hill climbs. So it really has hit the ground running. The tyres are 25% worn already. You know, it's a good, honest thing, really. Yeah,
and of course it's 90 years this year since the first R1A was on show to the public for the first time.
Yes,
so
that's right.
Obviously that was one of the targets that really that we were sort of conscious of.
Yes, we were. Highly. And the Peter King deadline as well to get it running. We just missed that one, but unfortunately, I think he heard it. On open pipes, it does not make some din. We've got to run it silence for the demo down at Bicester, which we will do, but we're hoping to just have a little squeak out of it on open pipes while we're there, and then we can swap it over and demo it quietly and under behaviour. What an epic thing. It's been 2.5 years of bloody hard work.
Blood, sweat and tears.
Blood, sweat and tears, but fun. We really have had some fun doing it and getting stuff as absolutely accurately right as we can, and appropriate and proper capacity and proper wheels and tyres and proper bodywork and proper drop down gears and fuel filler caps that look like the photos and bonnet catchers. It's been a long haul, but when you glue it all together at the end, you think, wow, it has all been worth it.
Exactly.
Right. So we'll do our best. And
we'll see what happens in it's sometime this month, isn't it, I believe.
21st of November down at Pall Mall. We'll be going to the dinner. Jolyon and myself and wives, and see what happens. What's his space?
Fingers crossed, but at least it's a bonus to the GP2 restoration
We're flattered and honoured to reach the final three. Whatever happens,
that's a milestone.
We're chuffed to bits, and so grateful and so thank you that they've recognised a genuine restoration. No, not just a glitter ball.
Yeah, exactly.
A good honest thing.
Yeah. Right. Thanks very much, James.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.